are discussing the application part of the differential equation. That is the last topic of this module. So a particle undergoes a forced vibration according to the law x double dash of t 25x of t equal to 21 cos 2t. If the particle starts from the rest, at the rest means time will be 0. Find the displacement at any time t greater than 0. So first you have to read the question, understand it correctly. So x double dash of t plus 25x of t equal to 21 cos 2t. According to this the particle will be undergoes a forced vibration. So x double dash of t plus 25x of t equal to 21 cos 2t your differential equation in terms of the variable t. Here the differential operators are d square x by dt square. Clear? Now if the particle starts from the rest, means t will be 0. If the t is 0, displacement is also 0. At the time 0, there is no displacement. So displacement is 0 means here the displacement is your x of t. So your x of t is 0 at a t equal to 0. So x of 0 equal to 0. If x is 0, then the derivative is also 0. At the time t equal to 0, x is also 0, x dash is also 0. So now move to this equation. Rewrite this equation in terms of the d square plus 25 of x of t equal to 21 cos 2t. Then the auxiliary equation is m square plus 25 equal to 0, m equal to plus or minus 5y. Here the equation are in terms of the x. So write down the complementary function xc. c1 cos 5t plus c2 sin 5t. Now the particular integral is function of t is cos 2t divided by function of d. If it is cos, then it is type 2. Under the type 2 procedure, replace d square by minus a square minus 4 plus 25. So 21 into cos 2t divided by 21 cancelled. So your particular integral is cos 2t. Then your complete solution is c1 cos 5t, c2 sin 5t plus cos 2t. That is your x. So your derivative of x minus 5c1 sin 5t, 5c2 cos 5t minus 2 sin 2t. Call this one as equation 2. That is your derivative of x. Now come to the condition. At the time 0, x is 0, x dash is also 0. So apply the condition to the equation 1 and 2. If x is 0, t is 0, cos of 0, 1 into c1, sin 0, 0 into something 0, cos of 0, 1. So c1 plus 1 equal to 0. Come to the second one. X dash is 0, sin 0, 0, cos of 0, 1 into 5c2, sin 0, 0. So 5c2 equal to 0. That implies c2 equal to 0. And here c1 equal to minus 1. Substitute the c1 and c2 in the x. So then x equal to minus cos 5t. c2 is 0 plus cos 2t. That is your x. X is nothing but your displacement. So that is the procedure to simplify these kind of the examples. By reading the question correctly, you have to write down the condition, and by the condition you have to simplify the c1 and c2 in the equation. You have to resubstitute these values and you will get the required value.